Very good afternoon to all of you. As you all must be aware that Government of India is making efforts to bring back Indian citizens who are stranded in foreign countries. Accordingly, in consequence of those efforts, certain residents of Karaikal might come back to Karaikal in near future also. Keeping in view this possibility and elaborate guidelines of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, the District Administration of Karaikal has made certain arrangements. These guidelines of Health and Family Welfare Ministry state that each and every person which is coming from a foreign country has to be mandatorily put in a facility quarantine for a period of 14 days. This quarantine can be a paid quarantine or a government quarantine facility. To make arrangements for paid quarantine facility, District Administration of Karaikal has come out with a note whereby it requests all such people or their relatives of such people who will be coming back to Karaikal to make bookings in certain private hotels and establishments as per the tariff rates provided by these private hotels and establishments. District Administration is facilitating these bookings so that those people who are coming from foreign countries can comfortably stay as paid quarantine facilities in these private hotels and establishments. That detailed list of the hotels along with their nodal persons, their contact numbers and their tariff rates will be provided by the district administration and will be put in public domain. That is one. Secondly, post 4th of May, I have seen that in general, a lot of people are coming out onto the streets. And in some cases, there have been violations of the norms of social distancing also. I would like to reiterate to all my fellow residents of Karaikal that for the next 2 weeks, that is till 17th of May, the lockdown is in force. Even after 17th, we all should follow the norms of social distancing. District Administration has put in public domain all the norms of social distancing in public places, private places, office places also. I request all the people to follow these norms. These norms are very simple: wearing of masks at all time, maintaining a minimum distance of 6 feet from each other while in public or private places, avoiding spitting, avoiding overcrowding. Apart from this, it has also been noticed that many people who are not allowed to come out are also coming out onto the streets. These people include people who are senior citizens more than 65 years of age, all old people more than 65 years of age, all children less than 10 years of age, all pregnant ladies, all patients with comorbid conditions, having kidney problems, TB, other ailments. They should not be coming out at this time. We must all be aware that the spread of infection is still happening throughout the country, as we can see from the numbers. So collectively, all of us have to ensure that the spread of infection is contained. And Karaikal, all the citizens have cooperated to a large extent till now to make sure that we do not have any positive case. I request all of you to continue with the same level of commitment and same level of cooperation towards each other and also towards the district administration, so that the efforts of all of us collectively bear fruit and we remain a green district in future also. I would also like to appeal to all the residents of Karaikal that our scheme whereby we were asking citizens to sponsor milk for the underprivileged sections, including the pregnant lactating women, the poor women, the orphans, the senior citizens in old age homes, has received a very good response from the residents and citizens of Karaikal. We have been able to provide milk to around 700 pregnant and lactating women for the past 10 days. We have covered our children in orphanages and also our senior citizens in the old age homes. I would again appeal to all my fellow residents and citizens of Karaikal to donate with a generous heart, so that in these times of crisis, we are able to cater to these underprivileged and needy sections of the society. I am sure that you will all rise up to the occasion and help the district administration in this initiative. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay healthy and stay safe.